guys. I normally don't use sort of terrible words, but you suck at oiling.
Why do you look like you don't understand what I'm saying?
All right, quit talking. Let's go.
Right, what am I doing?
Pull.
Oh.
Ooh, fancy.
Oh.
He's doing some water marbling for advance.
Okay.
Over there. There you go.
Look, it sparkles.
You're gonna put this in the ladybug so that Cory doesn't spill all over the place.
Look at that. Icically.
All right, whatever makes you happy.
Whatever.
Don't.
This way, that way.
Okay.
Do this way.
Don't overdo it. Semi-bad word.
S-H-I-T.
No, I was gonna say crap, but okay.
I done did shook did it.
That's what's awesome about glitter.
Should I sing?
No. Oh my lord.
Including what? All right, crack myself up, I must say. There's a hair on there, yuck. You got those awesome curves.
Oh, you're so sweet, honey. So line up your plate to however you are holding your finger.
Ow. Oh, I grabbed that wrong. I stabbed myself.
You flooded my...
Just a little.
Glitter payoff. I like it.
Oh, shoot. Look at that. I'm like goobering it.
Oh, jeez. Just stop. Just stop.
Oh, baby. Look at that.
Here we go.
Is it time for water marble?
It's time for advance. Cool little stabby tool. It's called a water marbling tool. I love how it just beads up like that on the silicone. It's just satisfying, right, you guys?
It is.
There we go.
Let me super stretch.
You're gonna break it.
Just like Stretch Armstrong. Is that dating me? Poke a hole in it and it oozes this.
Oh, gross. I will talk about them. You take forever.
Ooh, if it's too cold, it'll make it dry too fast.
Yeah.
If it's too hot, it'll dry too fast.
It'll cook it.
Start with green.
You don't want to drip.
Swipe and wipe.
Swipe or no swiping.
You're stealing my lines. Ah.
Go. Right now you're sucking at this. You don't have time to laugh or stop or anything. Move. So stop. Just stop. Just stop. First fail. See?
All right, so I'm just gonna go gadget.
I like to start with the shimmers first. And you're not cleaning. You're not cleaning. You're not cleaning.
Oh, it will be beautiful.
So
see
look,
all
I
the
dripped
clear?
on the bottom. See the clear? You want to pull that up too, because that's going to affect your next marble. People.
Whoa! Look at that. It was cool looking. It went. Wah.
Don't tighten your lid.
Oh,
stop!
Shoot.
He ruins all the things, you guys. You just got a bubble.
Look at that. That's cool.
Oh,
shoot! Dang it! Don't close the lid.
Don't, because you don't have time.
Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. I broke it free. Well, no, stop. You're supposed to be teaching me.
Hey everyone! To share with friends, click below. Subscribe now to stay in the know. Kindly comment here. What will you say? And remember, you're awesome and have a blissful day.